Hello guys, Crypto Noob. I just want to give you an update on RollerCoin. I've been still playing on this site and I want to show you my investments. As you can see, I did quite a few deposits and almost every coin like that, as you can see. And I want to show you my calculation and what's going on. There you go. I did put in RollerCoin 2072 $20, and daily, I will show you now. Per block I'm earning 0.012 USDT. That is daily 1.43 USDT. So I will need 5 years and 4 months to recover only my investments, and I don't know what to say. At the moment I'm in Diamond 2. There is a lot of groups under me, but this is my daily income from RollerCoin. What do you think about that? I think they should change a lot of stuff. They should make a few more leagues inside Diamond 2, because we are a lot of players here, and I think I will never get out my investment. Tell me, what do you think about that?